Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on Fusion markets. I will show you today an example for Bitcoin to US dollars, and it's not that difficult, but you need to know how to set this up. So what we're gonna do, the first thing is click here on new order, and then right here you decide the volume that you want to buy. So let's say 0.01 is fine for now. Then the only thing that you need to do from now is select here on the plus icon where you will see this green line. And what you can do right now is you can put this line somewhere where you want to take your profit, and take profit means that when you will hit that balance, he will automatically close the trade and will take the profit. So you can decide this by line, or what you can do is fill in right here something like 90 grand, and then he will take profit when he will hit 90 grand right there. So now you just need to click here on buy market, and if you scroll down, you will see here at the bottom that we created a 0.0 volume position with a take profit TP, that means take profit at 90. Okay, so this is how you can take profit on Fusion markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.